Gopalan was at the Enforcement Directorate office in Kochi today, and he's being questioned soon after the searches and raids that happened at the Srikakulam Chit Funds offices in Kozhikode as well as in Chennai on Friday. And the Enforcement Directorate had said that they had seized about 1.5 crore rupees in cash. Mr. Gopalan was questioned by media there, and he said that he had done nothing wrong, and he also dismissed the 1.5 crore rupees that has been seized. I must point out that Mr. Gopalan, of course, has been in the news as producer of the Empuran movie, and that movie, of course, was objected to by certain, the RSS elements and also Saffron Brigade for allegedly depicting some scenes from the Gujarat riots, and subsequently, of course, the film underwent about 24 cuts voluntarily. But this is in the context of the chit funds company that he runs. The group also has real estate and other business interests as well, other than producing films. And what we understand is that the allegation or suspicion seems to be that the chit funds had accepted money in cash and also, of course, in check from depositors outside the country, and that it was violating RBI guidelines and orders, that more than 320 crore rupees was collected in cash, and certain payouts were also said to have been made in cash, which is violating the guidelines given by the RBI. And the allegation also seems to be that over the last 5 years, the company had over 1,100 crore rupees that they had in a sense wanted to evade tax for. That is the allegation which is being probed. Of course, this comes soon after this kind of difference with the government, or should I say the ruling party at the center, over the contents of the film, and therefore some links being made between the raids that are happening on Mr. Gopalan and the Enforcement Directorate carrying out the raids is being seen in that light. But the Enforcement Directorate saying that it is about the businesses that he is carrying out with regard to chit funds.